Hello, good people and data analysts, and welcome to day 5 of 30 days of data visualization. Today, we are going to be doing a dark mode scatter plot that shows you two different dots for the same data point, but at different times. So let's take a look at what we're building today. So here we have U.S. major city home prices, November 17, so 2017, versus September 20. So what we did here is we did a scatter plot, except I wanted to show the change over time, or the delta between these major cities. And so I made the previous dates transparent, and the most current dates untransparent, opaque. No transparency. And so here, for example, you can see San Francisco, CA, the listing price, which is how much the house went up for on market, it was right around, call it $825, and it sold for about $800. Well, that was 3 years ago in 2017. Now in September 20, the prices have risen to being listed at right around $1 million, maybe above, and being sold for about $950. So there's a few different things I wanted to show you here I did with this chart, and I'm curious to hear your feedback. So first one is that you see these text labels. I made sure that they were the same color as the two dots that of the city that they represented. So now that you know that this yellow dot, and this yellow text is all together, and it makes it really easy. I don't need to just use proximity in position to tell us how to do this. Same thing over there. I put a little legend down here. Now, what I don't love is this. This is actually transparent, believe it or not, but it just looks gray because it's white against a black background. But this is the legend. And then I also put a little guiding line right here showing where the list price equals the sale price, which is basically just like a 1-1 line. And so I put a little legend for that right there. And then I also put in a little, call out. So in San Francisco, California, during September 20, the average home was blah, 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 blah. And this kind of helps the user understand what does each one of these dots actually mean in the first place, and helps them dissect the graph. So let me know what you think and where can we improve. If anybody's curious about the code, I'm going to share it, but it's basically just the data set that we pull off of Zillow, we format it, we make it look good, and then I brought it over to Google Slides over here. Actually, I'll show you what we had. Down here is the output of the chart in the first place, and we did this really sweet thing in Matplotlib where you can save as a PNG, and you can set transparent equal true, which is really cool, because then when you save that and you import this, I'll just go ahead and show you what this actually looks like. No, I won't show you, but either way, you import this and it looks just like this. And so you can see here that you have this scatter plot, and it's transparent, which is really sweet, which led you to a really good dark mode plot in the first place. So anyway, day 5, 30 days of data viz. Hope you guys are having fun. Remember, post your own data visualizations to Twitter or really anywhere you want. Let me know and we'll comment on it and we'll see what you think. We'll see you later.